Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SN Crypto World. I'm Successnathaniel. So in this video I'll be showing us how to pay us. I'll have a lot of earnings from, we can earn a lot from this site, so from this app. So this app I'll be letting us how to work on it. So you just go to your Play Store and download it, or use the link at the description button below, the first link, and it will move. When you click on the first link, it will move you straight to the app in the Play Store where you can download this app. So before I display the name of this app, I would like us to hit the red subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell icon so I get notified each time I drop video like this. Alright, the name of the app right now is Reward, as you can see it here. So we are right now on the app. So when you click on the link, it will take you to your Play Store. When you take your Play Store, you can now go ahead and download it. So when you download it, this is what you see here. So as you can see, I've earned 190 coins from this site, from this app. So and this app pays you daily. When if for coming online, this app it pays you 20 reward daily. So I'll be showing us step by step on how to flow. So when it does, what if the first thing you need to do is to fill in your details when you get to sign into this app. So your details is just you sign in your name, your name, your username, password, and other things. So when you do it, when you're done with that, you can just get ahead at the first okay, thank you for the person. So when you do that, you just see the dashboard like this. So when at this point, you just have to claim your 20 earnings here. When you just click on this, you see they will increase your balance. So as you can see now, congratulations, 20 credit received, credit earned has been added to your balance. So I'll click on OK. So that means they have added 290 now. As you can see, the earnings have increased. So just every day you can click on this daily, and that's one good way of earning from it. Then you can also earn again by inviting friends. Like you can see, each where you invite, you have 100 reward worth of their coins here. So that's it. So that's another awesome way of earning. So I'll be showing us how to earn from this site again. So this site, you have to go and do survey. You have to do many tasks online. So how do you do it? When you just keep, when you scroll up like this, you see from this point now, that's all this app here. You can see it's also the survey. So and the pay is attached to it. So here you have plus 349 worth of the reward they'll give you for completing the survey. So this one you have 220. So this one is good. You have 975 reward for completing the tax in this card match. So that's how you've seen it. This one is 699. So so that's it. And the tax here are unlimited. There are many, so you can do as much as you want. You have the one of 10, you have the one of 275. So the price values, so you can just go ahead and do the one you wish you can do. So and as you keep doing it, your balance keep increasing. So that's just a simple way of earning from this tax. So it's not that hard. So you just do your tax, coming online every day, and claim your 20 reward, and also coming reference and earning 100 worth of reward. So that's how about the tax in the front. Then when you go to your reward, this reward is also the details of everything you've earned from this app. So the amount beside it. So that's just it. So when you sign into this account, they'll give you 30. You see 30 reward in your balance. So that's just it. So and when you come, just complete your profile. When you complete your profile, they'll give you 100, and I'll be showing you how to complete your profile. So when you come, when you log in, you just see complete profile in the dashboard. So but I've actually completed mine. So when you complete yours, when you log in, you'll be seeing a space where you click on complete profile. So when you want to complete your profile, it will appear in this form. So it will appear in this form where you have to put your name, your full name. You put you identify your gender, if you are male or female. As you can see, my own is male and is highlighted in green color. So you go below it, you see age between So if you are between age of 18 to 34, you click. If you are between 35 to 44, you click. If you are between 45 to 54, and if you are from 55 upwards, so you just click. Then you go to the dash, to the box here, to put to click on the option occupation here. So me, I'm using skilled worker, so you can put student, self-employed, service and sales worker. You can put technician, manager, or any of these. You can click on others if you wish, but for the interest of this video, I'm using skilled worker, so I'll just click on skilled worker. When you're done with it, you just click done. So when you do this in your own, they'll give you 100 additional 100 reward, but I've got to my, so I will not be giving again. So that's just the step you have to do, and you keep earning. So when you come to this your reward, you see your what all everything you have in. Then I'll be the next icon here is payout. So I will do that last. I'll show you how to withdraw from this app, so you know that it's actually paying. Then when you go back to when you go to the last icon here, which is the settings. The settings is just when you click on settings, you can go to that edit. Then that's where we just coming from. You fill in your details. So I'm sure we want to start this part. So when you're done with it, you go back. Then you see tax here. This tax is just like how many tax you've done, you've completed. So it will be showing here. And the next payout, you have percentage of next payout, which you have here is 2.1. So 2.1, and total earning. Okay, for you can see 0.00. That's the total earning for this. So there's no total earning recorded here. Then when you go to this the icon below, see about this, about is just more of the app. So you can go there, and then maybe you can also contact the app from there. So you rate the app. Okay, this one is like if you want to give the app a credit, then when you click on it, maybe they can direct it to their place where you can now give them a credit. So that's it. Then the next one here is invite friends, which I just say you can come here and get your referral links. When you invite friends, you get credits. Okay, so that's it. Then help, if you need help, if you need assistance support, you go to help, and that's about this app. So I'll be showing you how to withdraw from this app. So when you want to withdraw, you go to your payout. When you go to your payout, you see okay, you can only withdraw from this app through PayPal. So you have to have a PayPal account, so which you can use to withdraw your cash. So you can withdraw your money once you have $10. So you can withdraw from this PayPal account. So if you have 20 and 50 also, so you'll be getting the credit of 10. So that's if you have worked up to it. So they are paying you in reward coin. So they will convert it to you to dollars. So when your payout reaches $10, so you can just go ahead and click on payout. So that's how you can withdraw on this. So that's how to do on this. Then I'll be okay. If you want to give them a rate, you can just give them a rate. When you click on that, when you want to rate them, they'll take you to Play Store. So I'll go to Play Store to show you that this app is really paying. Like, look at the name of the app, as I said earlier, is rewarding money paid survey. So when you go to Play Store, you see they are well rated. So it's a well known app. So this app is well rated. So I'll be showing you some review about this app. As you can see, 4.5. That means it's well rated. They have 5. The 5 star is more of other star here. So you can see their comments here. So hello, I like this app. I'm willing to learn and keep at it. So blah blah blah. That's all about it. This one is a foreigner, a white person commenting that he likes that. So it's not only for outside. As a Nigerian, you can also earn from this app. Like this comment below is Ugu Mike, and Ugu Mike is a Nigerian according to the name. So you can see his comment here also. So he said, I can see great expertise in rewarding. So it is an excellent app. We supply organized future. So that's what he's just saying, and many other things. So it's not many people are giving it a very top rate here. So you can also go to your own and review about it. I'll not be reading every review here because I don't think it's not necessary for that video now, but you can go ahead and go through it. So the app is actually paying. So you just go get started now because it's a new app. So just get started and start doing your own, and start referring people, start doing some tasks, and start earning. So there's no big deal about it. So once you are done, you share to your friends and start earning. All right, guys. So that's the end of today's tutorial. So please, if you find value in this video, please just click the red subscribe button, and please do share this video to your friends, and let them enjoy something you just enjoyed. So thank you so much for watching my video to the very end. Thank you, guys.